Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today I will be sharing with you some updates on my coffee bar. Now recently I hosted a collaboration sharing my coffee bar for spring. And I was also informing everyone that we were doing a little project here in my kitchen. And guys, I am ready to reveal it. So do you want to see what hubby and I have been up to? Well, keep on watching. Now, if you've been following me, you know we had a space here next to my coffee bar where I had like a console table set up here. And I wanted storage. So hubby and I added this small pantry here, and I absolutely love it. We purchased this from Lowe's. It was unfinished and I painted it white. Also, the new additions in my kitchen, we added handles to the cabinetry all around. These cabinet pulls and drawer handles came from Amazon, and I will have them linked in my description box below. These are acrylic and gives me that little bling that I need in my space. Going to take you in the cabinets. Now this is a two-piece set. All right, this first cabinet here up top, you see I have all of my bling glasses, as well as in this cabinet here. And my red here and up top. And I'm loving this. Now below here, we did put childproof locks on the bottom one because my grandson loves going into these. So we had to look out for him. But I placed more dishes. This is storage for my dishes. And guys, this just put a dent in what I have. All right. But my silver is over here. And what I did, I removed the things that I had in my pantry. So I can utilize my pantry for food only. And I still have work to do in there. That's my gold over here. Then down below I have like my crystal pieces, my Dublin pieces, like dispensers, tall dispensers. You see a plug over there. I'll show you that in a minute, what that is leading to. And my apothecary jars there. And back there are my napkin rings. I really want to organize that a little better, but that's going to have to work for now. So I'm going to move over to my coffee station and let you see what we did. Now recently I received a wine chiller from NewAir. And guys, hubby and I put the chiller in the cabinet. We installed this ourselves, and I am loving it like this. Now, my cabinets were like what you see on the right, and we ended up removing all of that and installing the wine chiller. And I love this so much better. Now I am truly ready to load up this chiller. Now hubby and I was waiting on this door to come in. We had to order this door, and it's a dummy door is what I call it. I cannot open it, all right? The space is so small there that nothing would really fit in that space. So we put a dummy door there. And again, you can see all of the jewelry on this, and it's all over my kitchen. This is a drawer pull that I added here. So just wanted some jewelry in my kitchen. So I will show you around my coffee station, my coffee bar, and the updates. Still have not had the opportunity to paint those tiered stands there. I am going to paint them. But I am loving this new addition to our kitchen. So if you like seeing home renovation projects, I would hope you click that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And follow me on my social media sites and shop my Amazon store. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you all. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.